everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I got this vacuum hose or pressure hose. You can use it for whatever because it's reinforced with steel, so you could use it for whatever you want. I got this off Amazon. If you saw my video, I got a central vacuum, and I need something to easily hook up the central vacuum. So you'll see that, you know, a lot of people, I mean, you can just pipe it and glue it, I guess, and just pipe it, but I don't want to do that because this will make a quick connect just in case there's a clog. I need to get something into it. I want to be able to access it quickly. Majority of the time you would only put like stuff like this on anything really if there needed to be repairs after the initial install, but like I said, since I'm going to do the repairs myself and everything like that, I want easy access just in case. I don't know what my mom's going to, you know, suck up this thing. So pretty much that's it. That's the size. I got this size because this will go around the fitting of a 2-inch, what's that called? A 2-inch vacuum tube, vacuum piping. This will fit around the fitting. It won't fit around 2-inch. It'll be too big. But it will, the fitting will fit in there easily. And if I need to tighten it a little bit, all I got to do is add that tape that I did the video on, that rubber tape that I did a review on. I don't remember. But I did it, and I used that rubber tape. So I'm thinking I'm going to use that rubber tape as well. I'm going to put it on the fitting and then stick the vacuum, like I said, coupling fitting in here. And then I'm just going to tighten it on. This is really, really strong, really thick. Like I said, it's reinforced with steel. It's smooth on the inside, which is what I wanted. That's why this was a little expensive. Because if you have a lot of rigidness, whatever you want to call it, it just reduces airflow. And I mean, I know you watch my videos and you're like, this guy's crazy. I already told you I'm a Virgo. I have a problem with maximizing everything to the extreme of efficiency and blah, blah, blah. I mean, if I ran a business, I wouldn't be able to do that because, you know, quantity and quality have to, you know, coincide with each other when you're, you know, running a business. But I'm not running a business. This is for me, so that's why I could do quality first, and, you know, it doesn't matter about the quantity of how many I'm popping out here. So just to let you know, obviously, you know, would be doing this different if this was a business and I was installing this in lots and lots of houses. So I got the 36-inch length. Hopefully they gave me the right size. I mean, I think this is measured. They had a lot of good reviews. But that's it. So it is pretty thick. You're going to see the install. I'm going to try to come back to it. I'm just showing you how, you know, strong it is and stuff like that. And it's perfect for me to, like I said, use for the vacuum. And then I can attach a 2-inch PVC pipe or whatever. Okay, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the unboxing and at least just checking this thing out. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody be safe. Enjoy. I'm out. Bye-bye.